Kayo naman, taga Davao, nasaan na kayo ngayon? Assign.
Davao Norte Police Provincial Office, Your Honor.
PO3 ka?
Yes, Your Honor.
Bakit hindi si SPO2 Pinheiro ang sumasagot dahil sa tingin ko, siya ang most ranking sa inyo eh.
So, naniniwala ka ba na mayroong human rights violation nangyari in the past administration?
Yun, sir, I am a law enforcer, sir. I'm not really say or to hear na magdesisyon ako kung mayroon o wala, sir.
Kung bago ka lang dito sa NTPH, maaari bang makahingi ng isang like at subscribe? At huwag kalimutan pindutin ang notification bell para ma-notify kapag may ganito tayong upload. Salamat kabayan!
According to the police data, ang napatay na drug lord 21, ang financier 9, maintainer 18. Ano po ba yung maintainer? Yan na lang bakay. Ano ang ibig sabihin ng maintainer?
A maintainer of drug dens, Mr. Chair.
Maintainer ng drug dens to. Okay. Hindi sila ba may-ari ng mga drug dens? Hindi. Ano yung operator? 12 na operator.
The same, Mr. Chair. It's either they are the maintainer or the operator of.
Tinan nyo 21 na drug lord, financier 9, maintainer 18, 12 operator. Pero ang mga napatay na pusher, 7,173. Just imagine the disparity on this. Now, itong mga pusher na ito, hindi naman mayayaman to, mahihirap to. Ang mga mayayaman, yung mga drug lord, yung financier, yung maintainer, yung operator. Nakakapagtaka kung bakit nakakawala ito. Nakakawala ito stokhang. Bakit hindi itokhang itong mga hayop? Ay, sorry. Kahit na po ako, Bishop, pagmura din ako eh. Hindi naman mura yun eh. Talagang, kahit ng Panginoong Jesucristo, tinawag niya si Herod na hayop eh. Ayaw po natin ng ganun. Even John the Baptist, during his time, called the Pharisees as generation of vipers. Sa ating panahon po ba, ganun din tayo? We are generation of vipers? I don't think we are. Am I right? User. Can you imagine user Ito dapat to i-rehabilitate. Tama ho ba ako? Yes, sir. Tama ba ako?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Director Jimmy Santiago, tama ho ba ako? Ayan, lahat tayo. General Bakay, General Salvador, di ba? Asag de Rosario, naniniwala tayo dyan, di ba? Alright, 440 ang pinatay. User to. Now, hindi pa kasama dito. Hindi pa kasama dito, yung mga mistaken identity. Hindi pa kasama dito yung hindi user, kundi nadamay lang, katulad nung isa rito na nagdadala lang, doon, driver lang, pinatay. Hindi pa kasama dito. Ilang daan yan, mga kaibigan? Hindi pa kasama yung unidentified dito. See, look, ako nagpapasalamat ako sa DILG at sa ating Pangulo ngayon na nakita natin na pwede pala nating i-address ang drug problem na walang masyadong namamatay. I hope that would continue. Sapagkat pag marami pang napapatay dito, wala akong pakialam kung sino ang Pangulo. Iimbestigahan ng committee ito. Why? Because that is human rights violations. Now, ang next hearing po natin, iimbitahan natin the former President Duterte on this hearing. Nagkaroon na ng agreement ang members ng committee. Iimbitahan natin si Senator Boto de la Rosa kung papayag ang Senado na siya mag-appear dito. Not because he is a senator, but because during that time, he was the Director General of the Philippine National Police. Ako naniniwala ako, when you speak of interparliamentary courtesy, pwede silang hindi pumunta when it comes to the fact na iniimbestigahan natin ang pagiging senador nila. But we are investigating the past. Naging Director General siya ng Philippine National Police. Oh, accountability pinag-uusapan dito. Command responsibility pinag-uusapan dito. Hindi lang yan. Iimbitahan din natin the dating Senador, Laila De Lima, to shed light on this because she knows a lot of things. Oo. Yan ang gusto kong sabihin sa inyo. Alright. Now, meron tayo ditong mga other PNP personnel. We have invited Colonel Joby Espinido. We have already made a motion to issue a show cause order on them. And we have... Andito siya. Andiyan pala. Si Joby Espinido. Alright. Oh. Dapat kayo na pa namin tinanong. Alright. Tahimik ka lang dyan eh. Alright. Oh. We have Reynanto Medina. Where is Reynanto Medina? Alright. Can you show yourself here in front? Are you still assigned in Davao?
Yes.
Are you still in Davao? Nakakita ko, Davao dyan eh. Oh. Pinagmamalaki mo ang pagiging Davaoan niyo? Pinagmamalaki mo? Oh. Pinagmamalaki niya. Alright. Lieutenant Colonel Ronald Lau. Andito siya, di ba? Andyan. So, oh. So we have received a spot report on the Murillo case. Ngayon lang. Meron pala eh. Medyo.
Your Honor, nagkamali. Akala ko po after activity report.
Oh, okay. Tamo, nagkamali ka na naman. Oh. Ay, goodness naman, oh. Okay. Colonel Espinido, ako, kilala mo ako, di ba? Oh, you would even give me messages on the scriptures. Oh, I know where you're coming from. All right. Involved in the war on drugs. Am I right? Colonel Espinido? Okay. So what do you think of what's happening now? Comparing it to the past administration. You are now a director or a commander or what?
No, sir.
Where are you assigned?
Police Regional Office 8, sir.
Where?
Personnel.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I would like you to make a statement now. What do you think now? Do you think that there are really human rights violations in the past administration or not?
Good afternoon. It's a Lebron, sir. And for me, very appreciated naman, sir, ang committee na to because napapakita lang natin sa lahat na may batas. But
Yeah, sagutin mo muna yung tanong ko before you appreciate this committee.
talk about, sir, sa...
Kayo mo, kilala mo naman ako, di ba?
Yes, sir.
Oo. And I'm not going to belabor my time in this committee if I do not believe in this advocacy. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Now, you say you're a Christian.
Yes, sir.
Am I right?
Yes, sir.
You always give me verses. Binano niya ako sa Sabado. Ah? Hindi, sabi niya, kailan ka raw naging Kristiyano?
Matagal sin, sir.
Matagal na raw. Okay lang.
Pagkakilala naman sa Panginoon, sir, since nagkataon na nakakilala ko ang Panginoon, sir, ng pagka...
When did you receive the Lord into your heart? When was that?
I think, kuan, sir, mga first grade 2 or grade 3.
Therefore, you're not going to lie in this committee. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, naniniwala ka ba na mayroong human rights violation nangyari in the past administration?
Yun, sir, I am a law enforcer, sir. I'm not really see or to hear na magdesisyon ako kung mayroon o wala, sir.
I'm
But,
not asking you to make a decision. I'm asking you kung naniniwala ka mayroong human rights violations dito.
As far as
you're
yung
a
narinig naman
believer
natin, sir,
You're a believer of the Lord Jesus and then you're going to lie to me?
no.
Abay, wala na akong panitawala sa iyo. Huwag ka na mag-text sa akin ng Bible verses.
No, sir. No. Hindi naman sa ganun, sir.
Sagutin mo, sagutin mo ako, Colonel.
There must be, sir. There must be.
So because bago ito believe ako sa iyo. Okay? Sagutin mo na ako ngayon. Naniniwala ka ba na mayroong human rights violations nangyari in the past administration?
Mayroon, sir.
Meron.
Meron.
Okay, good. Salamat.
Yes, sir.
Oo. That's it. Oh, ikaw, naniniwala ka?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ilan napatay mo?
Wala pa po, Your Honor.
Bakit di ka makasagot agad? Makasagot agad. Where are you assigned right now?
At the Davao City Police Office, Your Honor.
Davao City Police Office.
Yes,
Okay.
Your Honor.
Kasi pinatawag ka dito because you were involved. You were actually involved in the killing of these thousands. You were actually involved. Hindi ka pinatawag dito kung hindi ka nag-involve. All right? So, can you tell me about that? Tell the committee. Were you involved in some cases in this Tokhang operation? Were you involved?
May mga legitimate operation po kami, Your Honor.
I'm not saying it's illegitimate. What I'm saying is, were you involved in any Tokhang operation?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, you were. You were also involved in the double barrel. Kasi hindi ko alam yun eh. Sasabi ni Congressman Akop eh.
Yes, Your Honor.
Meron kayong involvement sa big time. Ano yun? One time, big time. Involved ka rin doon.
Yes, Your Honor.
Where did you get the order to be involved? From whom?
In my superior, Your Honor.
Therefore, the Philippine National Police Brass, makikita po ninyo rito, I think that the commanders in every provinces or cities are doing their part without the leadership consent on this. Without leadership order on this. Oh, kaya natin iimbitahan dito si former President Duterte, because kami, narinig namin ang testimony ng mga biktima natin dito. May mistaken identity, may minor de edad, may driver lang dyan, nadamay yan. Alright? May user, napatay. Okay. Ako naniniwala ako, dapat ang mga pusher, arestuhin yan. Dapat yan, kasuhan yan. Pero hindi dapat patayin yan. Tama ako, General Espinido?
Yes, sir.
Oh.
Tama, sir.
You see that? Pero maraming napatay. More than 7,000 drug pushers nakalagay dito. Were killed. 440 users were killed. Yun po ang naging problema ng past administration. Kaya natin inibitahan si former President Duterte is not to accuse him. I'm not accusing him of anything. Pero I want him to face the victims, and I want the victims to tell the story of what happened to them, to the former president. Because I know this to be true. He did not know what was happening in the ground. Being president, he gave the order to kill, but he didn't know what was happening in the ground. Tama ba ako? Am I right? So, inimbitahan po namin dito. Never to accuse him, but for him to hear the testimony of the victims. Ganun lang po. So,
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Congressman Brosas, afterward,
Yes, Mr. Chair, since meron po siyang mga explanation regarding sa kanyang no? So dapat former president ay mag-explain din yung mga ginawa niyang matrix, 'di ba? Meron siya noon. Shinow niya 'yon nung time na 'yon. Plus yung mga lists, drug lists na walang legal framework, gusto natin malaman at maintindihan. So he should explain, Mr. Chair. 'Yun yung gusto natin malaman dito. Katulad din po ng panawagan natin para sa accountability kay Senator De La Rosa, kung talagang matapang siya na hinaharap yung mga akusasyon sa kanya dito, dapat po sagutin niya yon, Mr. Chair.
I'm hoping and praying that they will come and join us in the committee hearing. Oo. Colonel Busita,
Other concern, Mr. Chair,
you have a question to ask.
No,
for the PNP, other issue.
Go
Mr.
ahead.
Chair. Before we leave these people, may I ask some questions?
Would you
Kasi other
give me,
issue yung kanyang kwan eh.
Congressman Akop first?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay.
Colonel Espinido. Have we met?
Yes, sir.
When?
Binibigyan mo question.
Hindi ko lang ma-recall, sir.
You remember, nung na-involve ka sa isang incidente na may namatay doon sa Region 8,
Yes, sir.
I called you up. Diba? I called you up. Sabi ko, baka darating araw, baka masingil ka sa ginagawa mo. Tama?
Yes, sir.
Baka darating yung araw na yun.
Yes, sir.
Yep. I reminded you that. I called you up. Diba?
Yes, sir.
But you went on with your activities. Tama?
None, sir.
Intindihin mo yung sinabi ko. You went on with your activities. Hindi wala naman akong sinabi na illegal na activity. I did not qualify that. You went on with your activities. Kasi darating tayo doon sa banda roon eh.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Kayo naman, taga Davao, nasaan na kayo ngayon? Assign.
Davao Norte Police Provincial Office, Your Honor.
PO3 ka?
Yes, Your Honor.
Bakit hindi si SPO2 Pinheiro ang sumasagot dahil sa tingin mo, siya ang most ranking sa inyo eh.
Sorry, Your Honor.
Carmen Municipal Police Station, Your Honor, Davao del Norte.
Were you ever assigned in Metro Manila?
I remember, Your Honor, in 2016, Your Honor, from Pro 11 to NCR, Your Honor.
So, ibig sabihin, from PRO 11 in Mindanao, you were reassigned to Metropolitan Manila. Specifically, anong lugar? Anong unit?
Dito, Your Honor, sa Batasan, Your Honor.
Quezon City.
Quezon City, Your Honor.
Quezon City. Lahat po kayo?
Kasama ko, Your Honor, lahat kami, Your Honor.
Now, how many were you, PNCOs that were transferred from Region 11 to NCR?
I remember, Your Honor, 8 of us, Your Honor.
8.
8, Your Honor.
And your team leader was Colonel Patay.
May superior, Your Honor.
Major?
May superior.
Yes, kaya nga siya ang boss ninyo. Kasama niyo siyang na-transfer from Mindanao or Region 11 to NCR.
Hindi naman, Your Honor, bali, nauna sa Your Honor bago kami.
Kaya nga, sumunod kayo.
Yes, Your Honor.
Tama?
Yes, Your Honor.
So, nauna siya dito sa Quezon City, sumunod po kayo.
Yes, Your Honor, kasi na-orderan kami, Your Honor.
Naintindihan ko naman yun. Kailan kayo nabalik sa Region 11?
Ako, Your Honor, after Quezon City, Your Honor, na-assign ako ng CIDG headquarters, and then
Who was
Yun
your
nga.
boss sa CIDG?
na-shoot ako ng order na napunta ng Region 3, Your Honor, na
Hindi nga.
Sir Patay
Hindi
yung
mo naman ako sinasagot eh.
Sir Patay, Your Honor.
Sa CIDG.
Pagdating na namin sa Region 3, Your Honor.
Hindi, teka. From Quezon City, na-destino ka ng CIDG
Headquarters, Your Honor.
sa Camp Crame.
Yes, Your Honor. Yun ang order namin, Your Honor.
Yes. Sino ang kasama mong na-assign doon?
Hindi kami sumabay, Your Honor. Siya yung nauna.
Sino?
Yung mga kasama ko, Your Honor.
Sino sila?
Yes, Your Honor.
Nauna sila. Sino ang opisyal na kasama nila na transfer sa CIDG?
During the time, Your Honor, halos nauna lang siya, Your Honor, sa amin.
Sino?
Sir Patay, Your Honor.
So, na-assign din pala sa CIDG.
Yes, Your Honor.
As what?
Regional Director, Your Honor, ng Region 3, Your Honor.
Ginawa siyang Regional Director ng Region 3.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. So, sumunod din kayo sa CIDG Region 3.
Pagdating namin ng headquarters, Your Honor, may order naman na punta naman kami ng Region 3, Your Honor.
Yeah, hindi naman kayo makakapunta ron na walang orders eh. Di ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
So, lahat din kayo 8 doon din.
Ay, nadagdagan na kami, Your Honor.
Ilan ang nadagdag?
Hindi ko na alam, Your Honor. Nakalimutan ko na. Basta may
Nadagdag sa inyo pero hindi nyo kasama sa Davao.
parang hindi na yata, Your Honor.
Ganun ba?
Parang hindi
Kaya
na
hindi
yata.
mo kilala dahil ang nadagdag, hindi nyo ka nakasama sa Region 11.
Yes, Your Honor.
Ha?
Yung iba, Your Honor.
You agree with him?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. So, kailan kayo nabalik sa Davao?
Pagkatapos ng sa IDG, Your Honor, na-assign po ako, na-orderan po ako ng Maritime Group, Your Honor, na dito sa Krami.
Sabay-sabay kayo?
Hindi, Your Honor. Iba rin lang yung assignment nila, Your Honor.
Ikaw, saan ka na-assign?
After sa IDG, Your Honor, na lipat po ako sa, ano, Your Honor, sa PSPG, Your Honor.
Police Security
Yes.
Protection Group.
Yes, Your Honor.
Si Maderable.
PSPG din ako, Your Honor.
Ha?
PSPG din ako.
PSPG. So, na-assign kayo sa PSPG. Sino po ang naka-assign na ninyo na VIP?
Wala pa akong VIP time, Your Honor.
So, doon lang kayo sa headquarters ng PSPG.
Yes, sir, sa ano, Your Honor, Davao, Your Honor.
Sa Region 11 PSPG.
Yes, Your Honor. Pero dito muna sa headquarters, Your Honor.
Yeah. I know. So, nabalik din pala kayo, nabuwag din pala. Because I remember a report, I do not know from kay Attorney Neri or kay Attorney Conti. Ang basa ko doon na there were 10 special teams. Yun ang composed of 15 personnel. Pero ngayon ito, 8. Yun po yung kwan. Thank you, Madam Chair. Mr. Chair.